Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your AC clutch relay and fuse is on this 2006 Ford 500. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out a lot. So we're going to pop our hood here and then come over here to the fuse box, push this button right here and lift. And this is your AC compressor relay. This is your AC compressor fuse. This is your AC compressor diode. And then this is your AC blower fan for in the cabin. So this is runs the fan. So we've got AC relay for the compressor, AC fuse for the compressor, AC compressor diode, and then the AC blower fan relay. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.